Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Correct the sentences. She do her homework every day.
She does her homework every day.
I didn't went to school yesterday.
I didn't go to school yesterday.
He don't knows the answer.
He doesn't know the answer.
Where you are going?
Where are you going?
I am going to home.
I am going home.
She doesn't likes pizza.
She doesn't like pizza.
Can you give me an advice?
Can you give me some advice?
He is more taller than his brother.
He is taller than his brother.
I have seen her yesterday.
I saw her yesterday.
He speak English very good.
He speaks English very well.
The dog is running fastly.
The dog is running fast.
There is 5 people in the room.
There are 5 people in the room.
She is married with a doctor.
She is married to a doctor.
Let me to help you.
Let me help you.
I don't know nothing about it.
I don't know anything about it.
He didn't came on time.
He didn't come on time.
We live in a very big city called as New York.
We live in a very big city called New York.
I am hearing a strange noise outside.
I hear a strange noise outside.
My father is an engineer.
My father is an engineer.
She's having 2 brothers.
She has 2 brothers.
Subscribe the channel for more videos.